process of repairing a pothole by hand is, first of all, we identify the area in which we're going to repair. We saw cut the edges, which is into a square. We then use a jackhammer to break up the area of carriageway that we're going to remove. Once we've jackhammered the whole area out, we use a shovel to remove all of the loose excess carriageway material. Once it's completely clear, we'll then sweep all of the excess material away, so it's a nice and clear area to work on. The open sides of the pothole will be tack coated, and this will ensure the first base course of the tarmac, which is 10mm DBM, will stick to the existing carriageway. Once that first layer of tarmac has gone down, a small whacker plate is used to whack this in place. Once this has happened, the top course, which we will call the wearing course, will then be applied. Once that's applied, a large roller breaker will go over the potholed area to ensure that it's binded down with the existing surface and the base course. Once this has happened, a punner will go around, a hand punner will go around the edges, sealing all the edges to ensure that it binds with the existing carriageway surface. This process for a square metre by metre pothole will take in the region of 20 to 30 minutes to complete.